Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show exactly how to enable the AI creator label on your Instagram profile using your PC. This is part of a new update, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want the label to appear. Once you're on your main screen, look toward the bottom left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Click on those three lines and a panel will open up with several options. From here, select Settings. This is where Instagram keeps all the controls related to your account, privacy, and profile features. Inside Settings, find and click on Edit Profile. This section allows you to update your personal details, profile picture, and now, with the latest update, your creator labels as well. As you scroll through the Edit Profile options, look for the AI Creator setting. Once you see it, simply toggle it on. That's it. The feature will activate instantly, and your profile will now display the AI Creator label. This label can help identify your content style and make it easier for others to understand what you create. It's especially useful if you're using AI tools as part of your content process or want to stand out in a growing creator space. After enabling it, you can always come back and turn it off or adjust your profile details anytime you like. And that's all there is to it. A quick update, a few clicks, and your profile is now aligned with Instagram's latest features.